Let's dive into Webull, a platform that's become a major player for active modern investors. It's not just another app. Webull offers zero-commission trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, making it a game-changer for anyone tired of paying fees. This approach has opened the doors for smaller investors to trade actively without worrying about costs eating into their profits. But Webull isn't just about free trades. It's packed with advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and real-time data features that used to be reserved for expensive platforms. Whether you're a beginner, ready to get hands-on, or an experienced trader looking for depth, Webull's got you covered. The platform is designed for self-directed investors who want to analyze, strategize, and act quickly. If you love digging into charts and making your own decisions, this is your kind of platform. It's easy to start, but there's plenty of room to grow as your skills develop. Webull is for those who want more than just the basics. It's for investors ready to take control. Just know, to get the most out of it, you'll need to do a bit of your own homework. Commission-free trading is Webull's headline feature, and it's a huge win for active traders. No more fees chipping away at your profits. Buy, sell, or rebalance as often as you want, and keep more of your money. Webull makes money through payment for order flow, margin lending, and premium data. But for most users, trading is genuinely free. This model has forced the industry to adapt, making investing more accessible for everyone. The app itself is sleek and modern, with a customizable dashboard that puts key info front and center. You can track your portfolio, watch lists, and market news, all in a clean, intuitive interface. Placing trades is simple, but advanced features are just a tap away. Webull balances beginner-friendly design with deep functionality for experienced traders. It doesn't overwhelm new users, but it won't leave pros wanting more. The platform grows with you as your skills and confidence increase. It's a serious tool for serious investors without the intimidation factor. That's smart design in action. Webull shines for data-driven investors with its suite of advanced tools. You get access to technical indicators, customizable charts, and drawing tools, features that used to cost a premium. The built-in paper trading simulator lets you practice strategies risk-free, making it perfect for learning and refining your approach. Extended hours trading is another standout trade, pre-market and after hours, to react to news as it breaks. This flexibility was once reserved for pros, but now anyone can use it. Be aware, after-hours trading comes with higher risks, but the option gives you more control. Webull puts powerful tools and flexibility in your hands, leveling the playing field for retail investors. It's about giving you more opportunities to act on your research. For active traders, these features are a real edge. Webull isn't just keeping up, it's raising the bar. Webull's biggest weakness? Education. The platform gives you pro-level tools but not much guidance on how to use them. If you're brand new, you might feel lost. There's no structured learning path, and resources are basic. You'll likely need to look elsewhere for tutorials and investing basics. Customer support is decent for routine issues but can be slow during busy times. If you want instant, in-depth help, Webull may not be the best fit. So, is Webull right for you? If you're an active, self-directed investor or a motivated beginner willing to learn, it's a fantastic, cost-effective platform. Zero commissions, advanced tools, and extended hours trading make it a top choice for those ready to take control. But if you need hand-holding or world-class customer service, you might find it lacking. Webull is best for those who want to dig in, experiment, and grow. For absolute beginners, consider starting elsewhere, then graduate to Webull as you gain confidence. For everyone else, it's a powerful free platform that can elevate your trading game. Give it a try if you're ready for more than just the basics.